Here we go, ladies and gents. Again with a clean 50-50 off the bank. And clean ollie off the hip. Cindy making that feed look easy. Still got 28 seconds on the clock. And a big backside board slide. And backside 180 off the hip. Still got 20 seconds on the clock. Coming back with a 50-50 off the A-frame, 10 seconds. Trying to land that kickflip, 5 more seconds. And that is time for Cindy Lou from Bacolod, Philippines, ladies and gents. That was her second run for the finals. Timer, please reset. There we go. Timer ready. Dia, whenever you are ready. Here we go, ladies and gents. Front side board slide off the big section. Coming in hot on the bump to rail. And clean 5-0. Still got 31 seconds on the clock. Front side lip slide, still not able to land that. Next, we got 20 more seconds. And a kickflip off that A-frame. 50-50, 180 out. 5 more seconds. And they're 50-50 off the big section. That is time, ladies and gentlemen, for Natia Bourne and Waki Wong from Thailand for her second run for the finals. Here we go. Zifara starting out with a front side board slide. Following up with a 50-50 off the A-frame and a kickflip. Backside board slide off the big section. Still got 20 seconds on the clock and an ollie on the hip. 15 more seconds. Front side lip slide, trying to hold on to that. Still got 10 more seconds. No slide on the small ledge, and that is time. Kickflip making it before the time, and that is Zifara's second run, ladies and gentlemen.
Good job.
Cindy Lou trying to feeble 50, the bump to rail, but not able to land it. Now we go back to Natia Bourne and Waki Wong from Thailand for her first attempt. Ready? Here we go. And a super clean front side lip slide off the big section. The Natia Bourne and Waki Wong from Thailand. Let's see what the judges would score that best trick or that front side lip slide off the big section. Zifara with a 50-50, frontside 180 out on the bump to ledge. Let's see what the judges would have to say to that. Starting off with a backside 50 off the big section and a frontside Smith grind. There's that kickflip. Still got 30 seconds on the clock. Oh, trying to get that crooked grind off the hubba. Still got 16 seconds on the clock. Still not landing that crooked grind. 5 more seconds. And that is time, ladies and gentlemen. Give it up. Make some noise for Baler representing Thailand. Yeah, timer ready, Cristiano, whenever you're ready. Trying on the ollie and the China back. Trying to get that crooked grind, ending up with a 50-50. Frontside tail slide attempt on the plant box. Still got 24 seconds on the clock. Ollie on the A-frame. Frontside lift slab attempt on the bump to rail. And I think that is time for Cristiano Means representing the Philippines. Judges are ready. Timer ready. Margie, whenever you're ready. Margie starting off with a kickflip and a clean backside nose grind. Oh, a frontside one, holding on to it. Still got 30 seconds on the clock. And another frontside nose grind for Margie. 22 more seconds. Frontside 50 on the plant box. Margie with a big backside board slide, 9 more seconds. Backside 50, and a little bit of shove it in there. And that is time, ladies and gentlemen, for Marjeline Vidal, representing the Philippines, for her second run. Marjeline for his second run. There we go, backside 5-0 by Variraya Sukasan representing Thailand. Still not able to land a kickflip backside 50. Backside crooked ride, there you have it. On the big section, ladies and gentlemen, that was Variraya Sukasan from Thailand. Let's see what the judges will score on that backside crooked ride.
แกให้แล้วลูกนะแกแล้วแกได้แล้วให้คุณเจ้านะเสนอการ
We go. Scores are in. Those scored a 61.32. Baler Supersen representing Baler. Next, we move to Rashada. Are you ready?
Just do it. Come on, girl.
Let's go.
Rashada trying to get that 50-50 off the centerpiece. Give it up, ladies and gentlemen, Rashada Means, representing the Philippines. For the arch, whenever you're ready. There's that big flip by Marjorie Vidal. From the big section, give it up, Marjorie Vidal from the Philippines, ladies and gentlemen. Just waiting for the judges' score.
Good job, Margie.
Great job, Margie.
Ladies and gentlemen, starting off with a frontside Smith grind and a clean front tail of the A-frame. Front blunt on the bump to rail. Big spin front board attempt by Joven Silva. Still got a lot of time, 22 more seconds on the clock. Frontside Smith grind attempt again on the plant box. You got 10 more seconds. Ending it with a frontside lip slide. Oh, nakabol pub. Shove it frontside 50 on the A-frame by Jovencito representing the Philippines. Starting off with a backside crooked grind on the big section. And there's that frontside Smith grind on the bump to ledge. A textbook blunt to fakie by Justin. Still got 23 seconds on the clock and a frontside tail slide. 17 more seconds. Clean backside 5-0 on the big section. 10 more seconds. Frontside Smith grind to 50 on the bump to rail. 3 more seconds. And there's a big spin front board. And that is time for Justin Estenso, ladies and gentlemen, representing the Philippines. Attempting that flip back nose. Following it up with a clean backside 5-0 on the blind box. Backside 50-50 on the big section. Still got 23 seconds on the clock. Kick flip, backside 50, super clean, making it look easy. 15 more seconds. The flip backside nose blunt attempt again. 5 more seconds. Kick flip backside 5-0 on the plant box. And that is time for John Leonard Rovanetta, representing the Philippines, for his second run. Now we move on to our starting off with a backside Smith grind. Oh, changing the line with a backside blunt slide. Backside 50-50 on the centerpiece. Still got 25 seconds on the clock. Backside 50 on the centerpiece. 10 more seconds. Oh. And Manuel all the way across. And that is time for John Flory Panugalino representing the Philippines. Starting off with a front side lip slide on the big section. And a back tail shove out on the bump to ledge. Still got 31 seconds on the clock. Backside 5-0 on the centerpiece. Following it up with a frontside Smith grind on a plant box. 20 more seconds. A gap to back lip. And a frontside nose blunt. Got 8 more seconds on the clock. And a backside 3 attempt. Give it up one more time, ladies and gentlemen, for Tanakor Wadowski representing Thailand. Rand starting off with the back lip on the big section. There's that Siski grind on that bump to ledge. Crooked grind on the centerpiece, making it look easy. And backside tail slide on the plant box. Still got 21 more seconds. Frontside Smith grind on the big section. Frontside lip slide on the A-frame, 10 more seconds. Front blunt on the bump to rail, 5 more seconds. Oh, and a front board 6 change by Renz G-Leg, ladies and gentlemen. Mark starting with a half cab feeble on the big rail. And a back tail on the bump to ledge. And a clean tray flip off the China bank with a 5-0, following it up with a 5-0 on a plant box. Still got 21 seconds on the clock. Crooked grind on the big section, 15 more seconds. Big spin front board, 9 more seconds. Kickflip front board by Mount. And ending it with a big spin on that centerpiece by Mark Feliciano representing the Philippines.
Headbutt lang eh.